More than 90 countries, including the US and a host of major European nations, have issued a joint statement on assurances given by the Taliban over evacuation of foreign and Afghan nationals. The countries informed that they have been assured by the Taliban for the safe passage of those who want to safely move out of Afghanistan. French President Emmanuel Macron said he would like a zone to secure arrivals and protect people at Kabul International Airport. Speaking in an interview, Macron suggested working alongside the UN and the UK in creating a secure area as a way of mobilizing the international community into action. Macron went on to explain that this idea wouldn't prejudge recognition of the Taliban as an accepted government, as there are further requirements he would like to see being met. These include human rights and protection for asylum seekers, not befriending terrorist movements within the area, and respecting the human rights and dignity of Afghan women. Mohammad Jan Sultani, a national taekwondo championship, breathed his last during the suicide bomb blast in Kabul. The 25-year-old athlete wasn't on any evacuation lists. He was among those thousands of people who are still waiting to board a getaway flight from Kabul International Airport. Holding some of his medals, Mohammad's father Rahmani mourns the death of his son.
خب میخواستم اینجا خود بکشم تنهایی نبود بسیاری از مردم هم تصمیم داشت که برن به خاطر نامنی مملکت یادم میاد که مثلا جای میرفت میامد چطور در بالای خانوادش میداد با ما چطور احسان میکرد همه کاراش یادم میاد جگر خون میشون.
3 days later, Sultani's son, Zahid, remains in shock. He cries but does not speak. As the Taliban tightens its control over Afghanistan, many are still waiting outside Kabul airport in hope of fleeing the country, even as many Western countries end their evacuation efforts. The Taliban has collected weapons from the Afghans in the regions in its control, calling it a move to maintain law and order in the country. The Taliban said that the weapons are collected from the civilians because they no longer need them for their protection.